I'm Andy from almostoffgrid.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can grow your own salad leaves through the spring, summer and autumn in guttering like this at very, very low cost. Let's get going. So there you go, it's up. In no time at all. All that remains to be done now is to fill it with compost and get some lettuce planted. They're all planted. And in around 10 days, something that at the moment is that size will look more like that. For perspective, there's my hand. Doesn't look enormous, but we've been cutting these daily for weeks and weeks and weeks, and these are cut and come again lettuce. I've got to say that, that's the important bit. You need cut and come again lettuce, because as you cut them like this, and you're thinking that's never going to come back, if you look in the middle you can see there are leaves already forming, and that was cut like that last night. That was the night before. An update, it's exactly a week since I planted these lettuce in the gutter, and as you can see, compared to my hand, they've grown a lot and they're now ready for picking. So we can start picking these and using them in salads. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.